For today's recipe, you'll need brioche, 2 eggs, milk, heavy cream, pumpkin spice, flour, vanilla extract, duck rum, and assorted berries. Let's start with our fruit toppings. Rinse the blueberries, blackberries, and strawberries. Slice the strawberries and make sure to keep the slices nice and thick. Next, we'll prepare the Chantilly cream. You'll need 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and a splash of vanilla extract. Whip heavy cream, sugar, and vanilla on medium speed until soft peaks form. Set this aside in the fridge until ready to serve. Choosing the right bread is so important. You want a bread that's soft but sturdy. Brioche is one of my favorite bread to use when it comes to French toast. If the bread is sliced too thin, it'll be too flimsy to hold together all the custard during the soaking process. If the bread is cut too thick, it'll never cook to the center and you end up with a soggy French toast. The perfect thickness will be about 1 inch. It's time to prepare the custard. Crack 2 eggs into a large casserole pan. Gently whisk the eggs until it's well mixed. Next, pour in 1/3 cup of cream and 1/3 cup of milk. Make sure to whisk the mixture until the eggs, milk, and cream are well combined. And here's my secret ingredient to getting a nice soaking custard. Slowly add in 2 tablespoons of flour. Once everything is incorporated, sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 tablespoon of pumpkin spice. To add some intensity to the egg custard, add a splash of rum. This recipe will yield 2 servings of French toast. It'll be 2 slices of bread per serving. Next, place your sliced brioche into the custard mixture and let it soak for about 2 minutes aside. The key to a crispy French toast with a soft and custardy center is to make sure the bread has spent enough time in the egg mixture. This is a great way to use day-old bread that's getting hard or going stale. The custard will revitalize the bread again. It's time to get your bread into the pan. Add in 1 tablespoon of butter to a preheated pan. Make sure it's hot enough so that the custard starts cooking as soon as it hits the pan. Cook for 3 minutes aside on medium-low heat. When done, you should have a stack of golden brown French toast and ready for you to get creative. French toast is the ultimate breakfast comfort food. It's buttery, custardy, and with just the right hint of vanilla and pumpkin spice. This recipe is delicious and easy to make. Enjoy your French toast topped with fresh berries, a generous dollop of Chantilly cream, and a drizzle of maple syrup. Stay tuned for new videos. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching!